This might be the most important money truth no one ever told you. Once you understand this, you'll never fear bills again. Because debt isn't just a payment. It's a trap. A perfectly engineered system designed to keep you chasing your own paycheck. You're told debt is normal, that everyone has it. But here's the truth. Normal is broke. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to escape the debt cycle. Not with another finance guru lecture, but with a system that works in real life, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. And stick around until the end, because I'll show you the mindset trick wealthy people use to stay debt-free, even while borrowing money. If you've ever felt like you're working harder every year but never getting ahead, that's not your fault. Debt was designed to feel manageable, not painful. You make your payments, you follow the rules, and somehow your balance doesn't move. That's not an accident. That's the business model. While you're paying for your past, the system profits off your future. And the longer you play their game, the deeper you get. So let's flip the script. Here's how you get out for good. Step 1. Build your freedom flow. This is where every dollar you earn gets filtered through 3 zones: survival, freedom, and growth. Your survival zone covers essentials: rent, food, bills. Your freedom zone is where you hit debt directly and build your safety cushion. Your growth zone builds your future, investing, learning, saving. The secret is flow. Money moves through these zones like water. If you keep pouring everything into survival, you drown. If you direct even a trickle into freedom, you rise. And here's what makes it powerful. It doesn't matter how much you earn, it matters where your money flows. Here's the mindset shift that rich people master early. They don't see debt as danger. They see it as direction. If it helps them make more, they use it. If it traps them in payments, they cut it. They don't chase loans, they leverage them. They don't borrow for comfort, they borrow for control. Ask yourself every time you use credit, will this make me stronger financially or more dependent? That one question can completely rewrite your relationship with money. Escaping the debt cycle isn't about discipline. It's about design. You don't fix the system by working harder. You fix it by playing smarter. So build your freedom flow, rewire your mindset, and stop feeding the machine. Because the day you stop fearing debt and start understanding it is the day you become financially free. If you liked this, you'll love my video on how the rich use credit cards. Not to pay interest, but to earn interest. It'll change the way you see money forever.